Hi, Computer Science 2 class. It's Mrs. Miskin, and I'm going to introduce the last portion of our coding for Computer Science 2 for the trimester. We are done with code.org. We are moving on to a program called Grasshopper. I'm going to share my screen and show you what this is going to be like and explain how it will work moving forward. Okay, so you're going to go to the website grasshopper.app. So grasshopper.app, and you should come to this screen right here. Okay, you can look through it if you want to, learn what is coding. You should know that by now. What the curriculum is, glossary about us. This is a free program, and you can do it, as you can see, on a phone or on a desktop computer. And we're gonna learn to code with this. I shouldn't say learn to code. We're gonna learn more, all right? This is in JavaScript. Okay, so what you've been doing in code.org is a variation of JavaScript. So these things should seem really familiar to you, but we're just gonna take it up a little bit, okay? A higher level of coding to really get you into a programming mode, okay? So what you're gonna need to do to log in, go ahead and you can either hit the Start Coding Today or the Sign in this top corner. And you will need to use your Google School account to log into this. Now, I don't have a dashboard that will let me go in and look at your code or check to make sure that your progress is happening. So what I will do is have you send me a screenshot when you're finished with the course. Okay, so for the 3 weeks that we have left, I would like you to work on the Fundamentals 1 course. Now that may be really, really easy for you, and if you want to, you are welcome to go on to the next one, Fundamentals 2, and anything beyond that, if you get them finished. They will unlock as you finish an earlier lesson or course, excuse me. These are not going to be terribly long, but you should be able to spend a few hours on this over the next few weeks and get through Fundamentals 1. Okay, so I do just need to see some kind of a screenshot or picture of your progress to fulfill the grade requirement for this section. So when you get to Grasshopper, you will sign in with Google, use your school credentials, and since I'm already logged in on my school account here, it's just logging me right in. And I have opened it up before. You should see a screen that gives you Fundamentals 1, where you can start. Okay, should probably appear down here. We're gonna learn lots of different things: strings, arrays, objects, functions, and loops, and all different kinds of things, okay? So like I said, you can go on. These are all locked. So I would need to finish Fundamentals 1 first on this account before I could go on to Fundamentals 2. Okay, so Fundamentals 1 is the only one that you can get started on. And then as you finish them, you can go on and do more. So you are welcome to keep this. This is not connected to your class account at all, as far as my class. So if you want to finish all of the courses, it's open to you all the time, okay? So Fundamentals 1, let me just walk you through what it looks like. And I'm going to go back to the very first screen on here, which should be French flag. And it will say, let's start coding. We're going to use a draw box function, okay, to add 3 new boxes, blue, white, and red. Okay, so these should be very familiar. You'll find instructions over here on the left. Your code is the center portion. And I'm just going to hit got it. And then these keys to input your code. Okay, so this is like your toolbox down here at the bottom. Instead of in code.org, where you have your run screen on the left, toolbox in the middle, code on the right, we're going to change it up a little bit. Okay, so we'll just hit got it right here. And then here is what the output of your code is. Okay, so this is your run screen over here on the right now. Okay, so use the draw box to add 3 new boxes, blue, white, and red. So I've got blue, white, and red right here. Then I'm just going to read through this new line. I'm going to assume that makes a new line. Okay, draw a box, blue, white, and red. So what would I put next? Now, if I follow the pattern that's up there, I'm just going to click on it. I don't even need to drag it, just click on it. And then I would want another draw box, and we'll say blue. Okay, I don't need to reset that. Thank you. Here's my blue. Okay, draw box. Oh, it says correct, sorry. Okay, and I have done these before, okay. All right, so your instructions will be over here, and then you'll just fill it in here in the middle. You can just click on those. You can undo, redo, backspace. Okay, run your code when you're ready, and you'll see an output over here on the right. Okay. All right, so for that unit, if you get stuck, the best thing for you to do then is probably to set up a Zoom meeting where I can look at your screen, where I can have you share your screen with me so that I can walk it through, or take a picture of it and email it to me, because I can go through and figure out maybe what you've done wrong, or where your code is not being right. Give you some hints that way, but I will need to see something from you. I won't be able to log into this one. I apologize. We would do this in class and I would be able to come and look at it. But this way, just take a picture or something so that I can see what it is that your code looks like, because I don't have a dashboard for this one. So I apologize for that. If there are any complications with this or any issues, please let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your progress in this. Thanks.